Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a controller to Warframe on Android. So let's dive in. Now first, you want to swipe down from the top of your phone screen and open your Bluetooth settings. And make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Then you want to tap on pair new device so your phone starts searching for available controllers nearby. Then grab your controller and power it on. If you're using an Xbox controller, press the Xbox button to turn it on. Then you want to put your controller into pairing mode. On an Xbox controller, hold the small pairing button near the top for a few seconds until the light starts flashing rapidly. That flashing light means it's ready to connect. Fourth step, you want to look back at your phone and select your controller from the list of available devices and tap it to pair. And finally, you want to wait until it says connected. If you see the controller's battery percentage on your phone, that means it's successfully paired. So simply open your Warframe on your Android device. The game should automatically detect your controller once it's connected. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.